It's 8:30 in the morning and I'm about to go to puppy yoga today. That's how I'm going to start with my day. I love dogs and I so badly want to get a dog for so many years now, but I can't because I live by myself and I either go to the office or I'm always traveling the world. So it's not a good idea to get a dog right now, especially for the past week or 10 days. I was like, I want to get a dog and everything, but I can't. I know, so what can I do about it? Then I started looking for like dog cafes or pet cafes or something, so at least I can go spend some time with dogs, just pet them, cuddle them and everything. So I was searching online and then I found puppies and yoga, so that's where I'm headed now. 45 minutes yoga and 30 minutes puppy time, they said. I really tried to do yoga, but how could I even do it if these cuties are just running around nibbling your toes? I just kept petting them. Every week they have different breed of puppies. The week I went, they were Rottweiler puppies. They were playful, moody, playfully aggressive with each other at times. I had no heart to leave, but I had to. I'm just back from my puppy yoga. I feel better now since I've spent some time with dogs, but the desire to get a dog is even more now, but I can't. I have to be practical. Anyway, I have a very good, productive day planned ahead. I hope I follow my schedule and do everything that I wanted to do. My entire day is going to be out today. I even brought with me some change of clothes. I'm headed to Whole Foods because I have some returns, so I'm going to change there. I even brought my breakfast with me. I always plan my day around my food. I was getting ready to go to a library. I absolutely love libraries. I like to just sit there and do my work. I plan to go to George Peabody Library in Baltimore, but apparently it is closed on weekends in summer. Disheartened, I looked for cafes where I can sit and work, and I went to PJ's. I got a matcha drink. Been into matcha a lot these days, and then I set up my space. This was the agenda for my day, and I had to finish it. Been having a lot of storage problem these days. I have iCloud storage but need some space on my device too. So I got these external pen drives. Type-C for my iPad and the old iPhone pen for my phone, obviously. You just connect it to your iPad and transfer the files, but for iPhone you need to install the SanDisk app if you're using SanDisk and then upload the files in the app to the app. Task 2 that day was I was editing my Peru YouTube videos. God, editing takes so much time. I'll talk about task 3 all the way at the end. I have more information and an interesting story about it. Next off of the day was shopping. I wanted to buy jorts or Bermuda shorts. I never once wore them. I never bought them. I see people wearing these and I find them very cool and casual. So I bought them. There's nothing some retail therapy can't fix. Last off of the day was a massage. I'm getting a 75 minutes relaxation massage with lavender essential oil, which reduces stress. The massage was so relaxing that I felt that 75 minutes is really less. I usually get a 60 minutes massage. This time I thought, okay, I'll get a 75 minutes massage. But now I feel I should get a 90 minutes massage because 75 also feels very less. You know how when you're sleeping or when you're not doing any work, when you're idle, empty mind is a devil's workshop. So when I was getting the massage done, I pretty much had nothing to do. So my mind was wandering places and I had to constantly tell myself that no, bring your mind back to the moment. You need to enjoy this massage. You need to enjoy every stroke the masseuse is taking. So I was like focusing on my breath or every stroke the masseuse is taking so that I could enjoy the massage to the fullest, which I kind of did and also I didn't. It was nice to actually start my day with yoga and end my day with a massage. I mean, my day is not over yet. I'm going home. I need to have dinner, do dishes. So let's go home. Hi, I'm back home and look at what I'm wearing. This is Avenger Cats. This is Captain America, Iron Meow, Cat Hulk, Thor, God of Thumper, Cat Widow, Cat Eye, Loki, Nick Fury, Agent Phil Pawson. I don't know where I bought this, but it's very cute. So I finished my dinner and I'm about to have my last Indian mango for this season. The Indian stores, they said they don't have any more of these Indian mangoes coming in stock. So this is my last mango. I've been eating one whole mango a day for the past week. And whoever is watching this video, if you have not had Indian mangoes, please do have it. You will be blown away by the taste. I've been having storage issues all day long. I usually use my Osmo Pocket 3 for vlogging, but the storage card was empty and I forgot to get the replacement SD card. I just left it at home and I was wandering outside. And after coming home, when I tried to put that memory card in, there seems to be some kind of an issue. So I'm recording on my phone, so it's not that great, I feel, I mean, compared to that, at least. It was a really good day overall, but it was also very stressful for me. I don't usually show my stress on my face. I feel it all inside. So in the afternoon when I was working on my editing and everything, so I was also planning for my Germany trip. So I realized that I accidentally made a Hilton Berlin reservation for 15 nights, which costed around 2055 euros, which is close to $3,000. And it was, I didn't even realize that the reservation was made because I have an account in Hilton and my credit card is always attached to my account. So when I think I accidentally pressed complete booking. I was just looking for hotels and everything, and then it just made the reservation, and I was on call with the customer service like Hilton, and then they directed me to the front desk of Berlin hotel because they are the only people who can make the cancellation. Because one thing I didn't realize was that was a prepaid booking and I was not able to cancel it on the website. So that's why I had to call the customer service people. And when I spoke with the front desk in Berlin hotel, and they were like, reservation team will come back to work on Tuesday, so call us back on Tuesday again during our work hours. I'm going to leave a note saying, you know, this needs to be cancelled because it was made by mistake. I was like, are you 100% sure that they are going to cancel it? And the guy said, I don't usually say it is 100%. I'm going to say 99% they will make the cancellation because you made the reservation on the website. It shouldn't be a problem, he says. I really, really hope it all gets fixed by Tuesday. So I'm going to go eat my mango in peace. I'm going to enjoy every moment of my last Indian mango that I'm eating. By the way, it's called Banginpalli. And I'm going to do my dishes, study for my Spanish class tomorrow, and I'm going to bed. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. You got some information watching it. And I'm going to see you again next time. Until then, bye-bye.